What is up, guys? So I got something pretty cool to show y'all today. So Team MSC Main Street Cycle has released this ATV side-by-side shine. So it's a premium spray shine coating. It's a watermelon scent, no wiping required, works instantly, excellent for hard to reach areas. So when I'm out riding my Razor Pro XP, it's black. I like to keep it shiny. So we're going to test some of this stuff out real quick and see how it does. So I'm just going to do this back fender area right here, and we'll see how it works out. So man, immediately that looks better. So we're going to let this stuff sit for a minute, and then we're going to come back. I'll push it out there in the sun so I can see a little better, because I know this isn't the best lighting conditions, but we'll compare it to the front fender to the back fender and see just how well it goes. So I'm going to give it about 30 minutes to sit so y'all get the full, make sure it don't dry up and get back to normal looking. Alright, let's get a good cold start with the E-valve exhaust open. Haven't cranked this thing up in a few weeks. So looking at the front fender, looks kind of dry, dirty. Now keep in mind I didn't even wipe this thing down or wash it at all. It's just been sitting under the carport collecting dust for a little while. And then you go to the back. And it's like not too shiny, but it just makes it really nice looking, and it smells amazing. I don't know what it reminds me of. It smells like some kind of candy that I used to eat. But doesn't really have too bad of a oily feel to it. Not at all, really. But yeah, man, this stuff is great. Alright guys, so that's all I wanted to show y'all. So y'all enjoy the rest of the video.